wondering what I'm unboxing because I'm not an unboxing channel. This is the Cricut Explore Air 2 ASMR. I'm so silly, it's just a silica gel. Can you hear that? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal. To the newcomers, welcome. To the old timers, welcome back. You can help me grow my channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. How are you guys? It's Sunday and I'm back, of course. So, today we're going to be doing an unboxing. You might be wondering what I'm unboxing because I'm not an unboxing channel. We're going to be unboxing a Cricut machine. For those of you who don't know what a Cricut machine is, I also don't know what a Cricut machine is until I'm on YouTube. Yep. So I watched one video and I was like, what is that machine? Wow, amazing. So this machine is very good for DIY. It can cut a lot of stuff. Yeah. So some people are doing stickers with it. So when I first watched the video about the Cricut machine, I'm very amazed and I was like, oh my god, I need that machine. Why don't I know about that machine? Oh my god. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to the website. I went to the Cricut website, but unfortunately they don't deliver in Singapore. So I keep looking for a Cricut machine for a few months. And I was like, you know what? I give up. I actually wanted to ask my sister in America to send me the machine and buy it from there. But luckily, I found it online in Shopee and it was on sale. Yes! So, I only got it for 350 Singapore dollars. Because in Spotlight, this machine is gonna be 600. So, are you excited? Let's look at this machine. Ta-da! Yeah, so I bought this one. This is the Cricut Explore Air 2. Actually, I'm planning to buy the Cricut Joy, the smaller machine. Because I was like, you know what? I think I'm going to be satisfied with the small machine. But then I checked the specs and I was like, what if I'm not satisfied and I buy another machine? So might as well buy the bigger one. And I think for 350 Singapore, that's not bad. So this is the box, guys. So I got it from Shopee. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Actually, I can't even open this because I need to do an unboxing video. So it's sitting here for a few days until I wanted to do a video. So, are you excited or I am more excited? Why did I buy the Cricut machine anyway? Because I'm so impressed and amazed by this machine. And I think I'm gonna be happy with this. Because it's good for DIY. It's such a good DIY tool. And now, you know, I've been sewing. And now I have a Cricut machine and I can do more for my YouTube for you guys and for every day of my life here in Singapore. Yeah. So, let's open it up. So, what I bought with Shopee is this Cricut Explore Air 2 in color blue because actually I want the pink one but it's sold out. So, fine. I get the blue. It's quite nice. Actually, they have the pistachio color. It's more like a minty green. But I think the blue color is so much nicer. I told you in my video in the iPhone unboxing, I'm not a blue person, but this blue is pastel and I don't have a choice because the pink is. So that. So I already cut the tape, so we can just open it up. So I also bought something from the Cricut online here in Shopee. Not just the machine. I bought the mat and I bought the first timer tool. I don't know what that is. So it's inside, I guess, because it only came like this. So let's open it up. Wow, wow, voila. Voila. Oh, let me put it on the side. That's a big machine. Oh, it looked like a printer machine, right? Okay, so they put it inside. So this is the mat. I have no idea what this is for, but I just bought it anyway. So I'll put it on the side. And this is what I'm telling you, the basic tool set. So they have the spatula, the weeder, the scraper, the scissor, and twister. Very, very nice. I have no idea how to use this because I never had a machine like this. So good luck. That's why I only bought these two. Okay. And this is the machine. Oh, it's so cute. So, what is this? Let's get started. Okay, I put it on the side first. Okay, I put it there. Voila! This is the Cricut machine. Keep it looking new. Reuse this bag. That's what it says. Okay, I'm gonna reuse the bag because I like reusing bags. You know, recycling, upcycling, just like my DIY videos. Oh my god, imagine the DIYs that I'm gonna make with this machine. Are you guys excited? Because I'm so excited. Sorry guys, it means I'm gonna have more DIY stuff in the future, right? But I like DIY anyway, it's very fun. Wow, look at that. Hey, hopefully this one works. Ooh, la la. This is the machine. Wow. It's nice. I told you, the blue is quite nice. Wow. I like it. It's very soft pastel blue. Looks like a Fiat. There you go. Opening up my Cricut, my very own Cricut. Oh my god. I waited to find this for a few months, so I deserve to open it like this. Very emotional. ASMR. So this is the Cricut machine. Very sleek. I love it. It looks like a vintage design, retro, but very sleek. You know? That's my impression. Wow. Okay, this is the adapter. Okay, this is a double pin. I need a triple one because we're in Singapore. And this is, I have no idea what this is. And they give you this free pen. Oh, so sweet. And what is this? Oh, silica gel. I'm so silly. It's just a silica gel. Okay, nothing in the box. Okay, almost open. Oh, yeah. Voila. Okay, I'm gonna try to on this item, okay? Let's see if it works. If it doesn't work, we send it back to Shopee, right? Power on. Doesn't work. Hello. There. Oh, it's working. Oh, can you hear that? So they said open on the open thing. Wow, look at that. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow, I'm so impressed. Look at that. So how do you close it? So it looks like this. So of course, I think this is the cutter and everything. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. So they say you can cut with a paper vinyl iron-on. So iron-on is the one that you use for the shirt. I think so. Light cardstock, bonded fabric. Wow. Poster board and custom. So that's what you can do. So this is the logo of Cricut. So cute. I don't know what this is, but never mind. So how do you close it? Oh, it's so nice. And look, there's compartment here, so you can use it as a compartment. Beautiful, huh? Love it. So maybe you just close it like this. Doesn't close. What? How do you close it? Oh, there. Wow, that was beautiful. I'm happy it's working. I just want to open this. Let's get started. I don't know what's in here. Let's get started. Let's get started. And welcome. You've got unleash this beauty. Let's get started. I'm so excited. Oh, I get some free cardstock. So I have this little cardstock that I can use and this white one I can use. Free. Thank you, Cricut. So this is the manual, Cricut Explore Air 2. I have a lot to learn, guys. You know, I'm quite tita, but I still learn new things. So this is just a welcome, whatever. How do you do the things? Exciting, paper craft cards, printables, home decor, iron on. Oh, Cricut machine. What is this stylus? Do I have a stylus? I don't think so. Wow, the pens are amazing. Love it. So, did you notice that I didn't buy any Cricut vinyl and the transfer on because I read online some of the brands that are quite nice, good quality for Cricut machine anyway. So I got it from Amazon. So let's unbox it too. Yeah, so this one arrived earlier than the machine, so I haven't opened it. And I was like, why don't I unbox it when I unbox my Cricut, right? Yeah. So, what a big box, but I think it's just vinyl still. How do you? Okay, there you go. Yeah, so I ordered this. No idea, it's two different brands. So these are the sheets that I'm gonna be using here. So this is the Oracal. So Oracal 651 is a vinyl. They said it's quite good. And this one is the iron-on. It's actually from Sisser. So they said that Sisser is a good brand. So I have different colors. So I can start printing with my Cricut machine. I've got all the colors. Yellow,
White, orange, green, wow, purple, pink, red, turquoise.
oh, sorry. Yeah, so it's just different colors. This is the iron-on. So this one, I can use it for my t-shirts, fabric, whatever. Bag. Maybe I make a bag. Oh, I'm so excited. So, this is it, Pansit. This is all what we're unboxing today. Oh my god, I can't wait to use it. So, this is it, Pansit. We've come to the end because we unboxed everything. There's nothing to unbox. I actually bought a Cricut mini press, but I asked my sister to send it to me, so it takes a while and it's not yet here. If not, it could have been a nice unboxing with the Cricut mini press machine. But never mind, the most important thing is I got my Cricut Explore Air 2 in blue. Very beautiful machine, I might say. And I'm very happy that I bought it. I think it's a good decision to buy it just here in Singapore because I got it in a good price. Yeah, love it. I can't wait to make a video in the future with all my DIY with Cricut. And by the way, I forgot to mention that this is not a sponsored video because I bought this with my money. Mula-mula. Anyway, stay safe and stay healthy. I'm your friend Nikita to Manila that lives in Singapore. Saying ciao, arrivederci. See you again next week. Bye-bye. Let me go get my machine. Bye.